Hi, this is Pallavi Verma, and in my previous video of inheritance, I have shown you how you can write a code for a single inheritance. So this video is also about the single inheritance but in a different way. So let's get started. I'm considering this my existing file fruits.java as a parent class, and I'm gonna create my child class. So my child class name is by item, and I'm gonna check main method. So here I will write my code. Since I'm gonna show you the parent and class connection, so what we need to do is we need to extend our parent class. So how we can extend the parent class? Using the extends keyword. So what we need to do, we need to write the extends and the name of our parent class. So it's fruits. So this by item class will be able to access all the properties of the fruits class. So let's see what's inside the fruit classes. So we have two methods, apple and grapes. So now come to this by item. I'm gonna access the methods of this fruits class. So what we need to do is we need to create the object of by item. By item by item object new by item. So now we have our object of by item. So this by item will be able to access all the methods and properties of the fruits. So right now we have two properties that are apple and grapes. So we'll access it. So by item dot apple by item dot grapes. Why we are able to access it? Because we are using this extends keyword. It's enabling this by item to access this method of fruits class, because once we declare like this part will be considered as our parent class. So for this parent class, by item would be a child class. So let's run it. So this is how you can achieve your single inheritance in a different way. I hope you like this video. We'll connect in our next video. Thank you.